Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to reinstall Windows security in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computers. Let's jump straight into it guys. You just need to go to start or button over here, right click on it and click on terminal admin and click yes. Now check my video description for the command guys. Copy it and you just need to right click the Windows PowerShell that will automatically paste it over here, and you just press enter in keyboard. That's done guys. After getting confirming, press enter again. That's done. After restarting, you should good to go guys. That will reinstall the Windows security. Thank you for watching my video. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you so much.